Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a romantic Valentine video in the CapCut mobile. So here, I've already on the CapCut homepage, and what you need to do is go to the Explore section. Here, swipe through the option until you find the Happy Valentine's Day. Click on this option. So by clicking on that, you can create your own Valentine's Day romance in CapCut. So just click on try it now, then add your video. Click on add video or photo. Here I've already add mine, so CapCut will automatically open the text template here, text Valentine's themes text template. So you can just choose which one that you want to use. So for example, I'm going to use this Valentine's Day. Just click on the text template that you want to use and adjust and position it as you like. Click on the check icon and adjust the duration of the text. So this will be the result, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.